Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing and review to the Rhinoshield Crashguard NX, and this is a case for the Apple Watch. So let's see how it's gonna look like and how it's gonna feel. Okay, so as you can see here we have the box, and also we have two more rim or borders for the case. You get one for free, but if you want another one you need to pay $3. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. It's a pretty simple box. Unfortunately in the transport it was beat up or something like that, but yeah, this is the box, and as you can see we have over here you know how probably it's gonna look like. Also over here it says that it's certified military grade, so it's gonna protect our watch really well. As you can see over here it says that it's compatible with series 4, 5, 6 or SE, all for 44 millimeters. And on the website you can choose whatever Apple Watch or size you have. Also it says that it's customizable plus tough case. It's very customizable because you can change the rims, and I heard that it's very tough, and you're not gonna have to worry about breaking your Apple Watch. So yeah, let's see. On the side nothing that interesting, but on the back we have a few more things. As you can see, this is the frame, and the color part, it's the rim. Also over here we have the military graded stuff. Customizable design, slim minimal form, and also it says that it's compatible with the heart rate monitor, and that's really great because it's not gonna be bulky or something like that. Also you can charge the Apple Watch without any problems, and you don't have to buy another charger or something like that. And also it's compatible with most Apple Watch bands and third-party straps. And as you can see, nothing really else, made in Taiwan. And yeah, on the side again, nothing really that important, just the recycle thing. And yeah, let's get right to the unboxing. Okay, so now let's open it, and let's see what do we have inside of the box. As you can see, the first thing that we have over here is the case, and also we have the rim. I chose the black case and also the black rim, and let's take it out. It's pretty simple. It doesn't feel like a rubber or something like that. It does feel very tough. It's very interesting. We are gonna talk about it more. This is not that interesting, but this one you have a QR code, as you can see, and probably it's gonna redirect us to a video installation, as it says. We have a photo with an Apple Watch, and here, as you can see, we have tutorial videos, and it says how to install, how to remove, and I'm gonna show you in the video how we can do that. On the back, just some contact information, and yeah, that's all. So let's see how it's gonna work on our Apple Watch. Okay, so now on the table I have an Apple Watch Series 4, and this is the 44 millimeter. This is why I chose this size. So first of all, we need to take out the old strap, and then we have to take out the outer rim, just like that. It's very simple. And now we just have to gently put it in the case, just like that. I saw that this is the best way to squeeze it in, so just like that, and it's in the case. Also we have to put the outer rim. We just have to line it up and then just squeeze this thing, and almost done. We have a few more taps. This is all plastic, so don't worry about breaking it. So yeah, this is the Apple Watch. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger, but I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like on the hand. And this is how it looks like on the hand. As you can see, it's not really that big. And because you're gonna consider that your Apple Watch is gonna be protected and you're not gonna break it or shatter it or something like that, I think it's worth the extra millimeters, and plus if you are usually working outside or something like that, or you're going on a vacation, I think it's a great case to just slap it on your Apple Watch and then, you know, never think about it, because you know, it's gonna protect your watch, and you're not gonna have to worry about, you know, bumping it everywhere or something like that, because it's gonna be protected. And I think this is the beauty of the case. So now let's see how other rims are gonna look like. Now we have the white rim, and I think it looks really good. It's not really my style. I like a little bit more stealthy, you know, look or something like that, but I think it looks great. And you know, it's just another color. If your outfit or something like that needs a little bit of pop and a little bit of color, I think this is a great addition. And the really nice thing is that you can change it very easy, because you don't have to take out your whole case. As you can see, you just need to pull it from here, and you know, the outer rim is gonna come out, and then you can just change it. So I think that's really amazing. And the last color that I have today is the army green one, and I think this one looks the best because, you know, the case, it's a little bit tough, and also the army green makes it a little bit more tougher. So I think that's such a great look. And you know, if you have a green t-shirt or something like that, I think it's gonna look very good. Now let me show you a little bit more the case. Because I showed you, you know, just the sides. On the back, this is how it's gonna look like. You have the perfect, you know, cut for the speakers, and yeah, this is the case for the Apple Watch. So now let's talk a little bit about the price. You can get this case for 15 bucks from the Rhinoshield website, and plus you have another rim just as a gift. You can choose whatever color you want, but as you can see, I have two of them, and I got one for $3. So this is the price if you want more rims. Also, be careful about the transport. I think the transport was around 10 bucks or something like that. So yeah, just keep that in mind. It's not free unless you spend $50. So this was the unboxing and the review for the Rhinoshield Crashguard NX, and I hope you like it. I hope you learned everything that you needed to know about this case for the Apple Watch, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Be well, be safe.